how to make more money, with a secret little bit at the end of this video on what to use this for that could change your life. Hey everyone, my name is Jacob Godar and my channel is about building your future through business, investing, and purpose. Today, I have an awesome topic. It is about how to make more money. Now, this is gonna sound a little off the wall, but with my recent want to have less things, have less junk sitting around, I became so attracted to getting rid of stuff. And that started with just throwing stuff away. But all of us, anyone with a business, anyone without a business, we have so much junk. And I never really thought about selling it. I've always watched Gary Vee talking about buying stuff and selling it on eBay and turning it for a profit. And the lights went off. Selling stuff on Marketplace. See, I run a lawn and landscape business, so I have leftover stuff. Even if I don't have leftover stuff, I have so much junk around my house that all of us just let stuff pile up. And so many things could be sold. And you could use that for whatever the purpose is. You could use that for anything. You could use that just to increase your income or go out on an extra date with your wife or your husband, whoever's watching this. But it's so easy to look around. So something simple, even if you don't even have stuff. We run a landscape company, so old pavers. If it's $10, sell it. It's better than having to deal with disposing it, and it's still $10. If you're an employee for a lawn and landscape company or another company, look at something that's going out as waste and look if you can sell that. Look at these little tiny things. Look at the tools you have laying around. Look at the clothes you have laying around. Women, look at the shoes you have laying around. This stuff will sell. And I'm not saying that you should feel the same way as me and want to limit the things you have, but I personally don't need all the junk. I don't need to feel so tied down to a place because I have so many things, so much stuff sitting around, and I would rather have just what I truly feel like I need and sell the rest. Sell the junk and make money doing it, and then use that to go out and do something awesome. So this little tip is so tiny and it seems so ridiculous, but just yesterday, I made $120 selling ridiculous stuff that I never thought would sell that to me just looked like junk. And that means everyone else can do it as well. When I listened to Gary Vaynerchuk talk about this, I was like, there is no way that this is real. There is no way you go garage selling and this and that and buy stuff and then resell it and make a profit. And so you could even do that if you got crazy enough, but I know everyone has more stuff sitting around than they need. When I was a kid, it takes me back to a time when I was a kid and I first found eBay. I started selling my Legos and for this many pounds you got that many dollars, and this was when I was so young, and I never really thought. I've watched my dad and other people just pile up things, and it's the opportunity to sell and get rid of stuff and then use it for something better. Now, the little piece at the end that I really wanted to say, that I really wanted this video to be about, was how to make more money to invest. So how to make more money, because a lot of people don't think they can earn more, they don't think they can afford to invest. This was really with the thought process up front of how to make more money so anyone can invest. So anyone can have $20 to $40. They can get something like M1 Finance. They can put it right in that, let it auto invest in their portfolio and build their future. And think about it. All that from looking at junk and instead of just pitching it, potentially selling it, potentially using that money to build your future. Everyone, I hope this video struck you and you were just like, man, I have a lot of junk. I'm gonna go use that and invest. But even if you don't want to invest and you just want to go on a fancy date or you want to use the money to save towards a vacation, it's a way everyone can earn more. Because when you're hunting for a dollar raise, that's $40 a week. That is pretty easy to earn by selling old junk. Everyone, I can't wait to talk to you soon. I hope you thought this funny idea was cool and it was something that you could use for yourself. Have a great day. Make sure you share this with someone that you want to make more money. And check out these 2 videos after I go away. They're meant just for you.